Good day everyone and welcome back to Another Is Dope, and today I'm just giving you guys a quick walk around of my desk and what I have on my desk. As you can see, this is a desk that I've used quite a lot to shoot a couple of videos in the past. So I just want to give you guys a quick walk around this so you can see what piece of tech I keep around me on a regular basis. First off, I love audio, so as you may already realize, I have multiple audio devices. So if I just want a light little pair of headphones, I grab these right here. These are the Soundcore P30Is. These are extremely comfortable. They come in a nice black and white design, and these tips are fully adjustable. This works well with the Soundcore app. The Soundcore app allows you to fully customize the audio experience. You could adjust the noise cancelling. You could adjust the EQ settings. You could adjust, even if you're playing games and stuff with this, you have full adjustment with the Soundcore app. So as you can see, this is a Soundcore P30i. What's also good about this, it has a kickstand feature, so I could use the case as a kickstand if I didn't have a kickstand to use with my phone. So this is one audio source right over here. This right here is another audio source. This is a Soundcore Space One. These are extremely comfortable pair of headphones. As you can see, fully adjustable. Does fold up pretty nice and neatly. It's extremely comfortable with respect to the headrest and also with respect to the cup holders. It has great noise cancelling features. You have all of the controls over on this side. It does recharge via USB-C. There is an auxiliary jack. You have your power button, noise cancelling button, volume down, volume up, and also pause and play right over here on this side. This is what I use whenever I just really want to zone out and focus on whatever I'm working on. I grab these right here. These are the Soundcore Space One headphones. If you might be wondering what this is, so some of you guys may not know, but I am an engineer. I am an automotive engineer, and this is for one of the cars that I was working on. This is a full metal design, full metal mock-up of what the car is supposed to look like. Full metal. So this is just a piece of art that I keep on my desk over here. What I have over here, this is the Mrwhosetheboss wireless charger. So this is a cube, and what the cube does, as you can see, it rotates. So let's see if I want to charge my earbuds, I could simply put my earbuds on top of here and they would recharge. If I want to charge my phone, simply have to press this right here. It rotates and I can put my phone there. If I want to charge my phone and also a pair of earbuds, I can put my earbuds here. If I want to charge my phone, earbuds, and my watch, I could put that right over here by simply pressing these different sides. If you look right here, you can see you can simply press these different sides and you could have these pop out and ready for you. The cable that I'm using, this is an iNu fast charger. This is rated up to 240 watts. So this is an iNu fast charger, and I have this plugged into a fast charging brick over on that side. Back to the audio. If I want to hear music, but I don't want the song super loud booming in my head, but it's a nice ambient song, I grab this right over here. This is an Anchor power, like it's almost like a desk speaker. So this is an Anchor speaker. So what's good about this is not too loud, it's not too overpowering. It's very simple. You have all of your controls right here. Your power, volume down, pause and play, volume up, and Bluetooth. It recharges right over here, and it's just a real good desk accessory. As you can see, it does have this matte black rubberized look to it. It does have the Anchor branding. It has these little stubs, so you won't get that vibration whenever you're using it. That's a real good desktop accessory. I normally keep this right here, and whenever I'm ready, I just play it. If I decided to make a video or to shoot a video while at the desk, I grab this right here. This is the Mano T5 Lava microphone. Actually, I'm using this microphone right now. This does recharge via USB-C, and once you open up the case, you have your transmitter and receivers in here. So as you can see, I'm using it right now. So I have the device plugged into my phone, and I'm using this microphone right here on my chest. As you can see, it's extremely small, extremely small, but the audio from it is completely adjustable. This does have an app that works very well with it. You can adjust your gains, you can adjust your your noise cancel levels. You have full adjustment when it comes to this particular pair of microphones. This is a Mono T5 wireless microphone. Let's say I forgot to put my phone on the charger. I grab this right here. This is a slim power bank. Let's say I'm leaving my desk. I didn't charge my phone, but I want to make sure that I have juice while I'm walking around. I take this with me. This is a Taurus 5000, I believe it's 5000 or 6000 milliamp hour wireless power bank. As you can see, extremely slim. You have your MagSafe ear right over here. It does recharge via USB-C. You have your power button right here, and you have your light indicator here to let you know just how much charge you have. As you can see, it's a real nice design, a real simple design, very easy to move around with. It's very light, but also very powerful. I use this, to be honest with you, almost every single day. This is one product I use almost every single day. Speaking about products I use almost every single day, I gotta say this right here. I use this pretty much almost every single day. I love this little pair of earbuds from Suncor. And this right here is one of my main desktop accessories. Let me move it over. This right here is a Google Home. What I did with this is I connected all of my smart home accessories to this. From my lights, to my cameras, my AC, and even my air purifier and vacuum is all connected to this. If I wanted to turn my lights on, I can simply come in right here. I have full control of all the lights simply and easily right inside of here. If I wanted to control my cameras, or even if I wanted to view my cameras, which is a feature that they just added, I could choose what camera I want to view and simply hit live view. And now guess what? It should bring it up in 5, 4, 3, 2. Right here. So I have a live view of my camera, of all my different cameras. I could select whatever camera I want to watch from right here. I could control my AC. So all of my, I've converted pretty much every plug, every device inside this house to a smart device. I could control my AC levels right here. I could turn my AC on, off, whatever the case might be, is simply and easily right from in here. I am from the Caribbean, so that's why this is so hot. So don't worry about that too much. Next up, I have my vacuum. I could start my vacuum, turn my vacuum off, on, whatever the case might be, is select where I wanted to clean everything from right in here. This is also one of the devices that I have all throughout the house. Every room has one of these Google Homes, because you could play music. I could also play music on this. I could watch YouTube videos on this simply and easily from right here. So this is a great desk accessory if you're looking for an accessory for your desk. So this is a quick video. One last item. If I decide to shoot a POV video, I use this right here. This is a action camera, as you can see, also extremely small, but this is MagSafe compatible, and this allows me to get that nice POV shots. I've been experimenting with this quite a lot, so in a couple of my upcoming videos you should see the fact that the video is shot with a stationary camera along with a POV view of whatever I'm talking about. So this is a camera that I've been using, and I think I might incorporate this a little bit more moving forward. So yeah, this is a quick video so you could see what I have on my desk. And lastly, of course, well, a lot of lastlies. And lastly, of course, I have this right here, my MacBook Air, which is what I use to do all of my work and stuff on. So yeah, quick video just to give you guys a quick overview of what I keep on my desk. Pretty simple, pretty clean stuff for content creation. Those are power banks, a lot of audio from the headphones to the earbuds to the speakers, a lot of wireless chargers, as you can see. This is a real simple desk, not too much. This might look like a lot for some, but for me, it's not a lot. It's all well organized and all well put together. So yeah, this is a quick desk tour so you can see what I have on my desk, see how I use it, and see how I try to keep as organized as possible. You gotta admit, some of these items are pretty dope, especially this right here, pretty dope. Until next time, see you guys.